Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Just picked up my daughter Chelsea from her new home. And this is my daughter Kendall sitting in the front seat. And we're on our way to say happy birthday to my sissy. And then we're going to Sally's. So stay tuned for that. I want you to see our vlog of Sally's and see what goodies we can find. All right, hold tight. Bye-bye. I'm sorry. I know. I love you, baby. I'm trying to. Ooh, your breath is fresh.
Her breath is fresh. She like, a little innocent.
Hey, mommy.
Mom, you got belly to hit.
Why is this not?
She got some belly to hit.
That breath is fresh. Can you give me a kiss, baby? Can you give me a kiss?
No, I'm upset.
No kiss? Give me a kiss, baby. She's getting quiet.
What is that supposed to mean?
What's the matter, baby? You okay? Huh?
I got the little dropper. Okay. From her Benadryl. So. Oh, sure. Give her all the kisses you want to. Oh, no. You don't want to hold her while she gets got.
Well, she did find a dropper.
A dropper.
So now we won't be in her eye. Oh, Lord. This is what you do for all of you who may have a pet who ingests xylitol, which is in Trident gum, and she also had a breath saver, sissy?
Half a pack of breath saver.
A half a pack. Uh-oh, here we go. This is what we have to do, boo. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't know. Don't make me.
I wish I had to
Don't make
squeeze
me.
her.
No.
She's so strong to be so little. You had your mouth open when you ate it.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Come on, come on, Coco.
Nope.
I should get a treat and open her mouth.
Nope.
Come on, Coco. Come on. It's okay. Coco, it's okay. It's okay, Coco.
He was doing to me.
Oh, Coco.
No.
God, she won't get it.
Come on, baby. Come on. Do it like I did when we were at the house. Really?
She's strong. She's a strong little thing.
Baby.
Chelsea.
You don't know how to do it?
No, not no more, because she got stronger.
Seriously.
Look at her face. Little face. Yeah. Oh, come on, Coco. She act like she don't even know what it is. I put a little...
Baby, you gotta open her mouth.
I'm trying. I was able to do it last time, but it was a squeeze.
Well, look, how about y'all trade and let Kendall put the drop in there and you hold her, because Kendall's not. She's not. I think she just don't want to hurt her.
Wait. See, Chelsea, you come drop while it's gonna take 3 of us.
Chelsea. Okay, she's getting the stuff in her system.
Come on, baby. Come on. Mommy want to make sure you're okay. There we go.
There you go. There you go.
Come on.
You're gonna have to be strong, y'all. Don't worry about.
Okay.
Cause
Go ahead.
there you go.
Coco, stop! Oh, see
this for real.
She don't even know what it is.
You want me to just hold her?
Yeah, hold it.
Here you go.
No, put it down. Put it.
Come on now.
Hold it like that. Come on, Kendall. You hold the dropper, I open. Let's get this together, done together. Come here, baby. Come on. Come on, it's okay. All right, come on. It's okay. Nobody's trying to hurt the baby. Nobody's trying to hurt the baby. Yeah, you hold her hands. She's so strong. Okay, she's so strong. Oh, wow. She's so strong. I'm trying to tell.
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
That's it.
Hurry up before she bites you.
Oh,
She's not gonna bite you.
Yes, she is.
Did she get some in?
no. She keeps just put it on the side of her mouth.
Why don't you put some
I'm
peanut
gonna
butter
get
there
her
so she can lick it?
Getting it in her mouth.
Oh, was not all that stupid.
Somebody at the door? No, that was the thing.
Squeeze it, girl. Squeeze it.
Okay, come here, Kendall. Open her mouth, Chelsea. Squeeze.
Yes.
Squeeze, Kendall, squeeze. Come on. Get it in there. Get it in there.
Yes.
Hallelujah. This is There you go. Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
You can come over.
Huh?
Go ahead. Squeeze for your life.
There we
squeeze.
go. There we go. Good girl. Good girl.
She might not eat any more peanut butter after this. She may say no to peanut butter
It's on Mommy's finger.
because there was a chain reaction.
She's such a little green pup.
There she
Are
goes.
you cold? Because I'm cold.
Yeah.
Oh, you got
All right.
Okay. Okay, you can't let her go inside. Let her stay out here so she can throw up. You didn't get much in
Well,
there?
how much? You don't need much. I don't think. She's like, I don't think so. She got some in there. She got some in there. I don't think it took that much when I saw it before.
Coconut. Coconut baby.
Okay, Grandpa. Man, I'm just chill. I'm just chill like that. Yes. You like my mom? We got a little fur. Billy, you look so cute. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Get it out.
I wonder if she's gotten enough words. It usually doesn't take that long.
I know. Even when Oh, come here.
Oh, she's in the house? That's all you need.
Yep. Come on.
All right.
No.
Ooh, it's freezing out here.
I think she got some. I squeezed it in there.
It didn't take long. She doesn't have an iron stomach like Bentley. Bentley's the one.
Yeah, she's the one.
Where is she? Boo boo. She's running around like she hasn't had anything.
She's hip.
Not happening.
I know. I think she'll give a few minutes.
Oh, yesterday was Sissy's birthday.
Oh, she's been for water, baby.
This is my birthday gift to you. She said who?
Oh, you
She said who? It's her birthday. I said Sissy. I know you. There you go. Be proud of it.
I'm owning it.
Wear it proud. So this is my birthday gift to her.
Oh.
She was supposed to get it yesterday, but she ignored my calls.
No.
No, she had other plans.
Everything's on the table.
I also cooked her dinner.
Which I will get today, later tomorrow. Oh, some peach passion tea. You know I love my tea, sister. Oh, that's a cute one. Oh, they make cute shower caps now. They're not just white like mine. Plastic. Okay. That is cute. You know I need this for my sprained ankle.
And where is your boot?
Where's
your
I don't have
boot?
to wear the boot. I just have to wear ankle braces.
She was in an accident recently, and so
Got a
one of
toe.
the things the doctor said is she needs to wear a boot. And what else?
Just
a
a
boot?
lace down boot. Just a lace down boot for now. Oh, this is tissues.
She's a flight attendant, so she carries a lot of accessories with
Yes.
her.
So I need all, and definitely need one. These I bought one last week.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My bad.
But thank you. I always use loofahs. Always use loofahs. This is what I've been waiting for since Christmas. Anyway,
No problem.
Thank you. I've been waiting for this. I said, actually, you better ask for it. Oh, it's gold too. I didn't know that. Thank you,
I didn't forget.
Sissy. My eyes are gonna be blinging. All right. Some lip gloss, which I need right now. Thank you. What? Wow. Vicious varnish. Yes. Put my eyes on.
I've been collecting these.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Oh, I love the colors. It's like everything. All the cools and warms and all of them. Then what we have? Oh, some more eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Trying to tell me something, Sissy?
No. I know you like makeup.
Oh, wow. I'll get my mascara. Where are my eyelashes popping? Okay. All right. And this is perfume shower cream, revitalizing. So after I get a shower, this is cream to put on so I can moisturize my body. That's awesome. And some eyeliner? What?
No.
Oh, it's a brush.
Right. I love those
For
brushes.
the, yes, for the, because
Yeah, instead of using Q-tips and stuff, your finger, you use the brush. That's awesome. They say that makes a big difference. Thank you, sissy.
Is that it?
Yes, I love it, my car.
I was enjoying that myself.
Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
You're
Happy
welcome,
birthday
bro.
to me. Got it. Thank you. Are we still taping? Just to see from your bestie. Read it out loud.
That's up to you, babe. You don't have to.
Oh.
Just show the front of it. You don't have to read it if you don't want. Let me see if I can.
Cute.
Isn't that pretty?
Yes. Green. Your color. So no, I'll never forget.
No, but it matches your bag too.
Yes. That is so cute.
You know how I am.
Oh. And I almost thought you
Doesn't she look great for 46? Okay. Doesn't she look great for 46?
Thank you, sissy.
Happy birthday, sissy.
Thank you. Love you. I was like, what's my sissy at? It's my birthday. See, you know what she was
I was calling you and texting you, but I said maybe she has plans, so I let it go.
Yeah, I did. I was just waiting to get my plan started. They had me a little bit behind. Thank you, sissy. Love you.
Love you too, babe. So it looks like she's not throwing up anytime soon.
Dinner's great.
Sissy, what you eating?
Right here.
Oh, not for nobody any. If you had been over my house, if you had been in my house, you would have been in my plate and asking for food.
Because it was my birthday dinner.
You didn't come and get your birthday dinner.
This was my birthday dinner from yesterday, but looks a mess now.
See,
From
Bentley,
Cheddar's.
he looked like a superhero.
From Cheddar's, huh? I know he does. He's so cute.
Able to leave what? Mountains?
Tall building.
Tall building, thank you. In a single bound. There you go. Bam.
You said what?
Is this the gum that he got into?
Yeah,
Oh, you just... Okay.
that's the mint. The
The
mint.
mint you ate. No, it ain't. She didn't eat the gum thing, guys. The xylitol I know is deadly. The sorbitol is not.
Oh, really? Okay.
Well, this is Nutrizol.
What did she get
This is
into?
Nutri something. Yeah.
She had half of
She
it?
ate the half. It was a brand new patch.
She was chomping down with it.
Okay.
She's a handful. I mean, there's no other way to express it.
Exactly.
Yeah, we love her.
You know, I was in the shower last night
Mm-hmm.
and I saw my curtains move and I was like, oh my god, is a ghost in here?
Mm-hmm.
And then I turned around and no one was peeping in the shower, being naked.
Was he really?
Yeah, no, seriously, he was in the shower.
I believe it.
He was begging for food.
Nala's special.
Oh my God.
He's special. She's begging for food.
And she can't have any.
Don't even believe it, because trust me, she sneaks her food. She knows she's not supposed to, but she does. Don't even believe it.
She's not flinching with it.
She's better than he is, because he doesn't move.
No, he doesn't move. She's tripping now. No, baby. No.
This is a good.
And in case you were wondering, she hasn't thrown up yet.
Not yet.
So I don't know if it's the dosage, but apparently she's okay. So she's not acting lethargic or anything showing signs of something wrong. So she's good.
She just has Mitty fresh breath.
Are we about ready to go, y'all? Because hey, sissy. Okay, what is this? Oh dear. Got your new truck. It's massive.
QX56 is huge.
It is. We're getting ready to leave. It is. I'll let you. Yes. We're getting ready to go. Sissy's new truck. Lord have mercy. Sissy. Love it. Can't get this. Alright, we're getting ready to go. You move my stuff. Oh Lord. in a moving truck.
Ow, ow,
Step on the rail. Step on the foot thing. Oh, there you go. Yes.
You ready to go?
There you go. Yes.
Oh, y'all left the dog? Both of the dogs?
Let's get started. Drive safely.
I didn't want to.
It says it's what, 20 some minutes?
It's, yeah, 20 minutes, yeah. It's 12 miles.
Cool. You said, I'll ask you that later.
Okay.
900 feet.
Have you set the navigation system yet?
On my phone. I can use the car, but I'm not using my phone still.
Have you gotten used to driving it yet?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
It was really big at first, but I'm pretty good.
Turn
now.
right. Then turn right on left.
This bridge here, what time is it? It's around this time that it's... Oh, I thought it was normally... Is it 5 to 7?
It's normally 5:36, and the traffic's still tight.
That's what I'm saying. It's
It's
still...
Friday.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I have this CD.
Just Fantasia.
Uh-huh.
The other one was a mix. Just changed to Fantasia. Oh, and I want to get her new one. She's back
What
out.
I've heard from it so far is pretty good.
Yeah, I like
Rock Soul.
Oh,
That's
I
her
think that's it.
description of her music now.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Rock Soul. Seriously?
Did you?
You have heated seats, sissy.
Yeah.
She said her butt's on
So
fire.
hard. Did you turn it on?
Oh my God.
Too hot. That's
Too hot, too hot,
Did you find it? Huh? Too hot.
too hot. You know the movie?
It's in front of you.
You have to turn.
I think it's on the back of my seat, or it's on the back of this console, baby. It's a button. Oh, I see it. You see it? Yes. Was the light on?
Yeah, it's up there.
Oh, that thing been on for days.
Oh dear. Too hot, too
When
hot.
I first tried it out, I said, oh, this one works. I thought it would turn off every time the car turns off. My bad. And she's like, why is my butt on fire? Well, it's working real good.
Yeah, you know, honey.
Turn left on Gray Road.
I wonder why I brought us this way. I'm
All these
serious.
turns, that's the way we're gonna go back to all these turns. It's unnecessary.
Unless it's trying to prevent us
It's just
from hitting some
that way,
bad
I guess
traffic.
it
I don't know.
yeah, that's true. Thank you, baby.
I'll text you and let you know what time we're coming to pick you up, okay?
Okay.
All right, love you.
Love you, baby.
To my daughter's house. It's nighttime. What did you have to take in? Oh, I can't. Yes, dear. Oh, the cat litter. Where is my keys? Do you have my keys? Oh. I have them. What's wrong, baby? Oh. Why you don't have your motion light on? You didn't turn that on? Well, that's good. I guess. Yes, ma'am. Oh. Hi, Nyla. Oh, he's not not even flinching. Did you put pictures up
I did.
without me?
Mommy, you didn't take off your shoes.
Seriously?
Did you wipe your shoes?
Of course.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Mom.
Oh my God. Okay, antisocial. Antisocial. I haven't even had a chance to. Where's the light switch? This is my daughter's house. We need another light, baby. Let me see. Can't really. All right. Yep. This is my daughter's house. And we've, well, I've done some decorating. She's gotten impatient with me and she put up some pictures what I didn't want her to do. She did put this picture up already. And I did put that one up. Can I enter your domain? Okay. Okay. Yeah. You know, I think the lighting would be better during the day. Yeah, absolutely.